In fact, Nambyar is here with us, political analyst. Mr. Nambyar, what?
I am in no disbelief that C.P. Radhakrishnan will have any issue with this ruling BJP or the opposition of any kind. He is a respected politician who knows where to say what to say where. He's not somebody who's known for games and tricks like the Prime Minister said. C.P. Radhakrishnan is a seasoned Sangh member. He has years, decades of experience within the BJP, within the RSS, and he's taken as a very serious and senior leader across, respected by across political dimensions, even in coming from a state which is predominantly Dravidian, right? So whether it's AIDMK, whether it's DMK, you will not find them attacking Mr. Radhakrishnan. The Rajya Sabha of today has so many turbulences. The Parliament today needs somebody who is experienced, and I think the NDA is going to get C.P. Radhakrishnan any which way. So there is no point in coming and arguing this. This is a constitutional position, and we must never deem any sort of a difference between the NDA or the BJP and Mr. Dhankar. Dhankar Sahab has been unveiled for long enough, and him coming into a position today where he had to resign, this is very unfortunate. It's a constitutional loss, and we miss him within the Rajya Sabha, because of course he was somebody who used to express his opinions very openly, unlike a lot of people. And I would say ever since the early 2020s, Rajya Sabha has become a place of turmoil. After the 2019 elections, yes, Rajya Sabha has seen a lot of turbulence, and we needed someone like Dhankar.